Hello and welcome everybody on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Stella speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm very proud to share with everyone that my signal on this silver last week has really worked very well. It was a very successful signal. As we can see, the silver has indeed reversed from 31.013 and went all the way to the take profit level, making at least 167 pips of profit, even more than that. And that was really one fantastic signal. I hope you guys have taken it and enjoyed those profits. I have actually seen some comments on YouTube from people who have taken it. So, congratulations for everybody who has taken the signal. Let's now see what we can expect next with the silver. So first of all, the silver is rising and has indeed made a bullish breakout from the resistance right here at 32.706. But what's next with this pair? Actually, for that we have to go now to the monthly chart, as we can see. So let me just share with you something. So right now, as you can see, this is the monthly chart on the silver. And the pair right now is actually at the highest level of a real resistance, exactly at 33.713. I want to share with you something. So if we look right now at this pattern right here, those levels of a resistance right now, how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candles. So we would like to draw the resistance line in a very, very accurate way that makes it correct, so we can actually expect the next reversal. So as we can see, what is the right way? Is it to draw the resistance line right here at the absolutely highest level of a resistance, or maybe at the closing price of the candle like that, or even maybe at the top of the wicks like that? The answer is none of them. What you need to do is draw your line in a way that the same line, the red line, the horizontal line, is touching every single candle in the pattern, which means you have to place your line at the lowest wick on the pattern. And that means we have to draw the line exactly like that, because these are the candles that actually representing the real level of a resistance. As you can, this one of course not of my friends, because this one happened after the reversal occurred. So as you can see right now, the line is exactly touching every single wick in these candles. Now by looking at the silver, it's exactly right there. So therefore, now based on the monthly chart, we are actually expecting a pullback to happen. So there is a chance that the silver right now, after breaking out from the resistance exactly right here at 32.463, will actually make a pullback upon the pressure of that level of a resistance. Not only that, let's now move to the weekly chart. Weekly chart actually doesn't really cut it. We need to go now to the daily chart, because we cannot see that much of price action on the weekly chart. Now here is the daily chart, and here is the magic. Now what we can see right now, first of all, is a broken level of a triangle, as we can see. Do you guys see that? So indeed we had here a triangle that the pair has actually made a bullish breakout from. Not only that, but also we can see right here, let me just delete this one. We can see right now, of course, here that we had, of course, another channel, as you can see, and the silver seems like it's actually going to continue the rise to reach the edge of that level of a resistance trend line. So again, similar to the gold, we're actually expecting a pullback to happen, because, let me just tell you something. The normal behavior of the market, when it actually breaks out from a triangle, like the one we are having here, so here is the bullish breakout from that triangle, usually what happens is that the market will continue the rise till it reaches the strong key level of a resistance, and afterward it will make a pullback to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line right here, which of course these highs, like that, and then it's gonna create here a new supported trend line. That's exactly what we're witnessing right now. So another resistance trend line right here. Let me just draw it for you. Exactly, a resistance trend line right here based on the daily chart is being broken out from with this bullish breakout candle, and we have seen that on the monthly chart we are actually on a strong key level of a resistance. So now there is a chance of actually a pullback to happen, and then the silver will continue the fall, of course, to gain some liquidity in order maybe to continue the rise even more. So basically we're just trading the pullback, which we are hoping to happen by this week. So where exactly we can sell the silver? That's the big question, of course. Now we will actually apply the strategy of the Fibonacci 261.8. What you need to do basically is look at the recent pattern right before the bullish breakout happened. Second, look at the pattern, or actually the pulse happened exactly right before this pattern happens. So what you need to do right now is simply draw your Fibonacci exactly from this one, from this high to this low. Let's do that together. Here is the Fibonacci, exactly just like that. And check this out, fantastic. As you can see now, the Fibonacci is actually indeed approaching Fibonacci 261. Sorry, I mean the candle is approaching the Fibonacci 261.8. So now here we have a good chance to sell the silver exactly right here once it hit the Fibonacci 261.8, and then most likely the pair will continue to fall to retest the broken level of a resistance, and that is going to be hopefully our profit exactly just like that. So there goes, my friends, our take profit level. So we're actually expecting to make around 145 pips profit by selling the silver from that point. And of course, our safe zone should actually be ranging for at least 50% of our take profit level, which should be around, let's make it around 70 pips to make it actually even easier for everybody. So therefore, our take profit level is going to be around 140 pips against 70. Let me just go to the 4-hour time frame. 70, let me just be sure and accurate, 77 pips of a safe zone. And there goes our deal, my friends, on the silver. And again, always remember that any signal that you are receiving here on this channel on YouTube is subjective to fail. And of course, to prevent that, we actually trading with everybody here on Telegram. This is my channel on Telegram. As you can see, you can join it for completely free of a charge. Just join it here and stay with the team, because here, my friends, we are sending updates and notifications about any signal that we are sending on YouTube, plus of course one free signal every single day on the forex pairs. Here is, for example, an example of how I have been following up with my followers about the gold signal. Here, even updating them, telling them it's safe to close this signal now with 170 pips of profit. So again, make sure to stay connected to Xtreme Trader Team through Telegram and receive these awesome updates from me directly, personally on Telegram, and you will be actually, hopefully, we will be all safe together. Again, to join this group, you can find the link in the description below of this video, or you can just simply look it up right here, Xtreme Trader Signals. But just please make sure that you have written the name, of course, to type the name correctly, because there are many other scammers using our successful name to actually fool their victims, making them thinking that they are Xtreme Trader. So again, I hope everybody is going to be safe, and hopefully this signal is going to work very well. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.